Where are the fuse boxes located in the 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe, and how can drivers access them for troubleshooting electrical issues? How does the fuse box diagram help identify the fuses responsible for specific vehicle functions, such as lights, infotainment, or power outlets? Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe protects essential components like the engine, cooling system, and electronic controls. It features easy access for fuse inspection and replacement, with a clear diagram on the cover to identify each fuse's function. This fuse block helps ensure the proper functioning of vital engine and electrical systems. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe safeguards various interior electrical components, such as the infotainment system, lighting, and climate controls. Located behind the dashboard on the driver's side, it is easily accessible for fuse inspection and replacement. A labeled diagram on the fuse block cover helps quickly identify the function of each fuse for efficient maintenance. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe protects electrical components related to the rear of the vehicle, such as rear lighting, power seats, and rear entertainment systems. It is located in the cargo area, typically behind a panel on the side or floor. A detailed diagram on the cover helps identify the fuses for quick troubleshooting and maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.